allows Tony Allen to use his defensive abilities against Chris Paul.
Griffin has to put it up, just gets it off in time, and he knocks it down.
For both teams, very good transition finish by Rudy Gay with the soft foul by Foy, and then the nice jump hook on the previous possession by Marc Gasol. I think in some ways, when you do have a legitimate
Butler.
small forward, already should be back. This is trotting. You're not trying as hard as you.
Foy gets inside, lobs it, and Jordan throws out. This is a free throw. Evans, another rebound. Puts it up, blocked by Gasol. It's been a physical series. There's been some technicals. There's been some pushing and shoving, but that's what you expect in the playoffs, especially when you get...
Contact is here. The dunk is there. And they're getting...
He's had a strong series. His energy, his defense, and rebounding. Nice feed.